Adithyapuram Sun Temple. Adithyapuram Surya Temple is a Hindu temple located in Iravimangalam in Kottayam district, Kerala. It is noted mainly as the only Aditya shrine, Hindu solar deity, in the state. It is said that the idol itself is made of a special type of stone that absorbs oil. There are no factual evidences on when the temple was built, but there is an interesting legend associated with it. Once a Brahmin performed a deep meditation to please the sun god. The god, pleased with the Brahmin's devotion, appeared before him and instructed him to build a temple for him there. It is believed that the rituals and prayers were observed there since today. The other deities here include Devi, Shasta and Yakshi. The major offerings done here are Aditya Puja, believed to cure skin and eye related diseases, and Enna Abhishekam.